Good morning, my dear kids. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Last class, what we discussed? Which class? Now, what class is this? General knowledge, right? General knowledge. Okay, welcome to GK class. Last class, what we discussed, my dear kids? Up to where we finish? Page number 22. Last, what we studied? We studied about some plants, some specialities of plants we discussed in the last class. Correct? Yes. Today we are going to see page number 23. Okay, page number 23. Please take page number 23. Open your GK textbook and take page number 23. Okay, shall we start? Yes, plants and animals. Today we are going to learn some specialities of plants and animals. Okay, what they can do, what is their capability or capacity we are going to see today. Okay, shall we read first question what we want to do? There they gave question as some animal specialities. Okay, they gave one sentence like question some specialities of animals or birds. Okay, we want to choose which animal is that one or which bird is that, which bird have that speciality. Okay, shall we start? Tick the correct answer. Okay, which of these animals requires as little as 2 hours of sleep a day? Below they gave some animals name. Okay, in that animals which one is sleeping very less hours? Okay, as 2 hours like that, which animal is sleeping very less hours? Okay, what are the options? Giraffes, gorillas and cats. Option A giraffes, option B gorillas, option C cats. Which one? Any idea? Which animal is requires as little as 2 hours of sleep a day? Giraffes. Okay, giraffes are sleeping very less. Okay, very less, 2 hours. Like 2 hours only that animal sleeping. So answer is option A, giraffes. Okay, then second question, they can hear very well. They were kept on the Eiffel Tower in Paris during World War I to warn of approaching planes long before they could be seen or heard by human watchers. What are they? What are they? Any idea? They can hear very well. Okay, that bird or animal can hear very well. They were kept on the Eiffel Tower. Do you have any idea about Eiffel Tower or Eiffel Tower? Eiffel Tower. Any idea? Any idea, my dear kids? Eiffel Tower is located in France. Okay, located in which country? France. Okay, France, the city of Paris. Eiffel Tower located in the France. Okay, France in the city of Paris. I will show you the picture of Eiffel Tower. Okay, listen. You can see in the screen Eiffel Tower. Okay, located in France. France, Paris. In the city of Paris, this Eiffel Tower is located. Okay. So, they were kept on the Eiffel Tower in Paris during World War I to warn of approaching planes. Okay, in this animal or bird. Okay, what is that animal or bird? Owls, parrots or dogs? Parrots. Okay, they choose that time parrots. Okay, parrots in the first World War time, they were kept on the Eiffel Tower in Paris during World War I to warn of approaching planes. For what they kept these parrots there? to warn of approaching planes. Okay, long before they could be seen or heard by human watchers. They known as human watchers. Okay, long before they could be seen or heard by human watchers. Okay, the parrots can hear very well also. Very well they can hear. Understood? Yes. Okay, then third question. Which of this can run as fast as an average horse? Okay, which of this can run as fast as an average horse? Everyone know horses are running very fastly, right? Yes, in below they gave some other animal names. Which one is running fast? We want to find out. Most dogs are running very fast like a horse? No. Then option B, hyenas. Option C, grizzly bears. No, most dogs and grizzly bears can't run very fastly. So answer is option B, hyenas. 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 Okay? They are running very fastly. Okay, my dear kids? Yes. Then, fourth question. A chimpanzee can learn and recognize approximately how many words? Chimpanzees can learn and recognize the words. Okay. So, how many words they can recognize and learn? 100 to 200. Okay, chimpanzee can learn and recognize approximately 100 to 200 words. Okay. Yes, so option A. A is the correct answer. Then, fifth question. Which of this can run faster than a horse and roar like a lion? Okay, which of this can run faster than a horse and roar like a lion? Which one is the answer? Option A is zebra. Zebra is roar like lion? No. An ostrich. An ostrich. Option C, a hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Which one is the answer? Correct answer? An ostrich. Okay, an ostrich can run faster than a horse and roar like a lion. Okay, my dear kids? Yes, I will show you ostrich. Everyone know? Yes, this is an ostrich. Okay, this ostrich can run faster than a horse and roar like a lion. Okay, my dear kids? Yes. Okay, then sixth one. Which bird does almost everything in the air? It even eats and drinks while flying. Okay, one bird is doing almost everything in the air. Even eats and drinks. In the flying time, that bird is eats and drink also. Which bird is that one? Option A, vulture. B, swift. C, falcon. Which one? Swift. You can see in the picture. Sixth picture, no? Sixth. That one. That is the bird. Swift. Okay, swift. Then question number 7. Which animal can carry on two conversations at the same time? One by making clicking noises and the other by whistling. Okay, which animal? At the same time, which animal can carry two conversations? One by making clicking noises and the other by whistling. Which animal? First option, an ape. B, a monkey. C, a dolphin. Dolphin is the correct answer. Dolphin can carry on two conversations at the same time. Okay, one by making clicking noises and the other by whistling. Okay, my dear kids? Yes. Then, understood everyone? Once more. Which of this animal requires as little as 2 hours of sleep a day? Very less hours sleeping. Giraffes. They can hear very well. They were kept on the Eiffel Tower in Paris during World War I, First World War, to warn of approaching planes. long before they could be heard or known as what? Human watchers. What are they? Parrots. Which of these can run as fast as an average horse? Hyenas. A chimpanzee can learn and recognize approximately how much words? How many words? 100 to 200. Which of these can run faster than a horse and roar like a lion? An ostrich. Which bird does almost everything, doing everything, even eat and drink in the air? Which one? Swift. Which animal can carry on two conversations at the same time? A dolphin. Okay. Okay, then page number 24. Page number 24. Okay, page number 24. This is word game. Okay, word game. What we want to do, I will explain. You can see A, section A, one question. One example is there, forest. Okay, forest. From that forest, that word, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters are there. Correct? F, O, R, E, S, T. By using the 6 letters, okay? Any order you can choose, okay? In how many words you can make? That is the game. Forest, in that forest, how many letters are there? Forest contain how many letters? 6 letters. Okay? From the 6 letters, any order you can, that your own wish. Okay? How many words you can make? Okay? Below in that box, you can see how many words are there. F-O-R, for, soar, S-O-R-E, soar, R-O-T, road, O-F, to, fort, sort, rose, or, to, for, store, rest, or, tore, frost, soft, set. More than this, we can form the, make the words. Okay, like this is the game. Understood? This is the game. Then next you can see 2 or 3 letters are given. Okay, 2 or 3 letters. You can see example RAM. 3 letters only there. R-A-M. R-A-M. Okay, you can add letters before or after or both. Okay, we can add one letter before or after also we can add one letter, and both before we can add or after also we can add. Okay, then we want to make more words. Okay, only 3 letters is there. RAM contains 3 letters, R-A-M. Before we can add one letter or after also we can add one letter or both before and after we can add letters. We want to make more words. Okay, you can see below examples, words formed by RAM. P, ram, ramp, tram, trample, tram, cram, rampage, trampoline. Yes, like that. Okay. Then one more example, eat, E-A-T. Before we can add the letter, after also we can add the letter. Here you can see neat, before they added N. Heat, before they added H. Feet, before they added F. Like that. Okay. Very easy game now. Interesting game, right? Yes. Okay, one more example you see. Region. From the word, this is the example for type question A type question. Okay, forest we see no, that like. Okay, the same example like forest, that first word game no. For that one more example, region. Okay, region consists of how many letters? 6 letters. R-E-G-I-O-N. Yes. From that we can form how many words? More words we can form. Okay, here you can see iron, I-R-O-N-E, ignore, iron, I-R-O-N, ring, one, ego, or no, or go. Okay, more words you can form. Like this you can also try. Okay, word games you also try. Okay, my dear kids, this is game. Okay, game, interesting game. Do it. Okay, okay, my dear kids, watch the video carefully. Okay, before classes we learn about plants and animals. Today also some specialities of animals and plants we learn. After that we learn what? Word game. Not learn, we played word game. Correct? Play, you also play it. Okay, enjoy. Okay, my dear kids, study well, stay safe. Take care, bye. Thank you.